Alright. I need to get y by itself, so I write it in y-intercept form. So I combine like terms. I subtracted 2y from both sides. So I have all my y's on one side now. I need to get rid of this negative 8x because I want to get this y by itself, because that's what solving for y means. Add 8x to both sides. I have 2y now equal to that garbage. Divide by 2 on each side. Divide that one by 2. Divide that one by 2 because I have to divide the whole side. So then I have y equals 4x minus 8, and I asked what the y-intercept was, and it was 0, negative 8. Which points are on the line? Well, just plug in this x, that y. So here's my x, there's my y. That's how I got those guys in there. And then simplify it. So that's negative 2. It's not equal to 6, so that's not on the line. But if I put the 2 is now the y, so 2 goes in there and 0 in for the x, you get this situation. And 6 is equal to 6, so yeah, it's on the line. Same thing for over here. Oops, looks like I drew over the top of that one. That's 3x minus 2, the whole thing squared. So most people forget the middle term if they make a mistake. So 3x times 3x is 9x squared. 3x times negative 2 is negative 6x. Same thing here. And positive 4. Combine the like terms, you get a negative 12x. I'm multiplying that one times that one. Length times the width. Find the area of each little piece. So 2x times 3x is 6x squared. 2x times 1 is 2x. 3x times negative 5 is negative 15x. Negative 5. Combine the like terms. Combine those two. Negative 15 plus 2 would be a negative 13. So then we have 4x cubed because we had 4x times x squared. That gives us 4x cubed. And then we have 2x times the 4x gives us the 8x squared. X squared times negative 3 is our negative 3x squared. Negative 3 times 2x is negative 6x. 4x times 5 is 20x. Combine the ones that are alike. There's the 5x. Combine those guys. There's your 14x. And of course our 15's hanging out at the end. Solve for x. I have two ratios that are equal. It's called proportion. And I can use butterfly or cross multiplication. I call it butterfly because it looks like a butterfly. 2 times 3 is 6. 10 times x is 10x, but you also have to do the 10 times the negative 8. And that's how I got that guy. Add 80 to both sides. Divide by the 10. Same thing over here. 11 times 4x, 44x. 11 times 3, 33. Negative 9 times 2 is negative 18. Negative 9 times a negative 3x is positive 27x. Get all the x's on one side, so subtract 27x minus 27x. Subtract 33 from both sides to get this x by itself. Divide it by 17 on each side. And you get negative 3. Find where the two lines intersect. Solve the system. Means the same thing. Substitute. In for the y. Do I need parentheses? No, because there's nothing to distribute. Combine like terms. Subtract 5 from, or 8 from both sides. You get near negative 5. That gives you your x. How do I find the y? Plug in the negative 1 into one of these guys. Negative 1 times 6 is negative 6 plus the 8 is 2. Same type of problem. Plug in. But now I have to make sure I have parentheses because I have to distribute that negative. So it's negative 4x minus x is negative 5x minus a 9, so it's minus 9. Add 9 to both sides. Divide. You get your negative 6. Plug in the negative 6 right here. Or up there, but this one's way easier. So negative 6 plus 9, it's 3.